Today we're making a trout wrap with a cucumber salad. Enjoy. First, poke a bunch of holes into the trout. Then add some lime juice and some soy sauce. Then let it rest for at least half an hour. Remember, it needs to stay on the counter for half an hour before you cook it as well. Then slice and finally cut your cucumbers. Add salt to remove the moisture from the cucumbers and let it rest for half an hour. Remember to stir in the salt. So using plums this time, together with the cucumbers for something sweet. And flour. Cut the plums into the same width as your cucumbers. Look at all this water. Now we need to wash away. Yes. After rinsing off the salt, add the plums to the mix. Then add cold pressed apple juice, lime juice, soy sauce, and vinegar to make it extra acidic because of the fish. Yes. Cook the fish for 3 minutes on the skin side, then flip it for 1.5 minutes. Then let it rest for about 2 minutes. Remember to add the rest of the soy and lime mix as well. At this point the fish should be flaky, to the point where you can just push it apart. Now tear your avocado apart. Avocado is a good way to add fat without making the dish too heavy. Start assembling everything, starting with the avocado. Then the cucumber salad. And finally, the fish. The acidity from the cucumber salad pairs well with the fat fish. It turns the meal into a light and fragrant dish. I hope you try it and enjoy it. We'll see you in the next video.
Kan we het iets doen wat?
No.